gas and electric shawarma machine. First off, the overall dimensions. Left and right, we have a length of 21 inches, a depth of 24 inches, and a height of 31 inches tall. Measurements for the surface area, we have 20 inches in length by 16.5 inches in depth. Height for the skewer, we have 18 inches. Coming to the back of the shawarma, we have 3 infrared burners. To the right will be 3 adjustable knobs. And coming to the center, we have the power switch. Included will be the natural gas and liquid propane gas regulator. And to the back, we have the 110/120 voltage plug. And coming to the bottom right column is the ETL NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.